Hello and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. My name is Rosemary Orchard, and in today's tip show, I'm going to be showing you Annotable. If you use the markup tool in iOS frequently, then you'll be aware that it's great and it's got a lot going for it, but it has limitations. Annotable is the next step beyond the built-in markup tools. It allows you to do things like obscure things for privacy, mark up text like magic, and you can even zoom in on things with the loop feature or highlight things with Spotlight. Let's get started. This is Annotable. To start with, I've just got a simple overview of a grid of my recent pictures. As you can see, I've got some food, I've got my 3D printer, a recent delivery, some artwork I saw on the street, a chocolate bunny, and, of course, a battery pack case, and a banana for scale. Now, while most of the time you and I might use Annotable to mark up screenshots, we can also use them to mark up photos. And that's what I'll do here. Here we have a photo that I took of my 3D printer in action. So we have the print bed, the white benchy, which is a benchmark model you can print, and the hot end of the printer, which is where the plastic comes out. All of these things are something I might want to annotate. So, for example, when I send this picture to my grandmother, she understands actually what she's seeing. Down in the bottom left, I can choose which colours I'm using for annotations. And I can scroll to pick more colours, and even use the settings cog to add more. As you can see here, default colours are free and colour customization is a paid feature. So, I'll leave this as it is. And let's continue to the next button, the square.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.